Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to replace your Tesla Model Y cabin air filter. First, gather your tools. You'll need a trim removal tool, a T20 Torx bit, and 2 new cabin air filters. This simple maintenance task takes about 15 to 20 minutes and significantly improves your vehicle's interior air quality. Keeping your filters fresh ensures your HVAC system runs efficiently, providing a cleaner, more comfortable driving experience for everyone. To begin, move to the passenger side footwell and look directly under the glove box. You'll need to remove the right side panel from the center console using a trim tool. Then, carefully release the clips or magnets securing the footwell cover. Remember to disconnect any electrical connectors, such as for the light or speaker, before moving the cover aside. With the housing exposed, unclip its cover and carefully slide out the 2 old cabin air filters. Pay close attention to the arrows on the old filters as they indicate the direction of airflow. Now, take your 2 new filters and ensure their airflow arrows point towards the rear of the vehicle. Slide them smoothly into the housing, making sure they sit flush and secure. Finally, reattach the filter housing cover, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Then, align the footwell panel and reinsert any screws or clips, reconnecting electrical connectors. It's recommended to replace your cabin air filters every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or every 2 years for optimal performance. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.